I actually just got done filming a Shoe Dazzle try on haul. Spoiler alert, they're not all shoes, which is kind of cool because I never think to go to Shoe Dazzle to buy clothing. So I just filmed that. I'm actually about to go edit it right now and hopefully get it up on the channel. All right guys, I'm leaving all of this filming equipment up behind me because I want to film another video after this. So excuse the mess. I know there's always a mess and I always say that, but really, I apologize. So I got 5 new pairs of sunglasses and they are all from the brand SOJOS. I've actually gotten sunglasses from them before and I featured them in another vlog like months ago, but they wanted to send me 5 new pairs and I was like, yes, please. I am somebody who like, I don't know, I feel like I don't wear sunglasses that often and I want to start getting into it, especially because we're doing a lot of like summer little mini trips. We're going to San Diego in July. Is anybody gonna be in San Diego in July? July, I think 23rd to the 25th, somewhere around there. We're going, it's me, my sister, my best friend, and my god sister. We're all gonna go and just have like a little like girls weekend, kind of a birthday trip for me. My birthday is middle of July, July 18th. So I want to bring some of these sunnies on the trip. So this is the first pair. I mean, these are freaking adorable. Like, sorry for the reflection. Also, I have my vanity on right here just so there's better lighting, but these are super pretty. They're all black. Lenses are black as well. And these are called Retro Square Cat Eye. And I got the black frame with the gray lens, but it really looks like a black lens to me. But these are so cute. I would totally wear these. By the way, I'm gonna have all of these linked below because some of them I don't think have the name on the box. It just says like sunglasses for women. So I'm gonna have all of the pairs that I got linked below, just easy for you guys if you guys want to order any. I do not make anything off of this. I just am here to showcase what I got. I believe you can order these on Amazon as well, so that's always nice because you'll pretty much get it, what, next day? Nothing better than Amazon, you guys, nothing. These are the next glasses. Ooh, I almost like these even more. Once again, it said all black frame with gray lens. It just looks like a black lens to me, but you guys, am I a movie star? No, really though, I really like these ones. Nice and big, cover my big old head. I've actually been wanting some sunglasses like these, so I'm hoping they look good on me because otherwise I'm gonna be really sad. But, oh yeah, I like these. These are really cute. I just wanted some like staple pairs of sunglasses that I can throw on with pretty much any outfit and be good to go. These are freaking adorable. I love the gold frame. All right, you guys, this next pair, I don't remember ordering because I feel like maybe I wouldn't have. Maybe I did. These are funky. The color is funky. It's like a creamy, like yellowy, like cream color. I don't know how to explain it. These are a little wild. Definitely not my favorite pair, but I don't hate them either. This is polarized sunglasses with beige frame and gray lens. It's not bad. I feel like with a certain outfit, it might look kind of cute. Okay, this next pair says trendy oversized square frame, pink mirrored lens. These are a little funky too. Nice and big like I like. You guys can totally see the camera. Hey. So they are nice and big like I like. You can totally see everything, all this junk on my desk. That's okay though. I actually like these. Not too bad. All the information for this brand and for these glasses will be linked below, so definitely go check them out. Super affordable, and like I said, you can find some of these pairs on Amazon. You can't beat that. I feel like when I said Amazon, nothing really like came out. Like the first half of that word, I was like this, Amazon. So I am going to the Market on the Mile, which is just like a local pop-up they do every Wednesday night, and it's kind of like a mini like farmer's market. People sell like fresh vegetables, and like you can get like hummus. People do like clothing and like handcrafted items. So my brother's actually there with his girlfriend because they have like a healthy dog treat business. So Carlos and I are gonna go check it out, see what vendors are there tonight, because I really want to get some fresh veggies. This one lady that's usually there sells the best microgreens for on top of avocado toast, but she hasn't been there the past couple of times, my brother said, so I'm hoping she'll be there tonight. I'm just kind of touching up my face. Today was a really long day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know we had a carnival today for the last day of summer school, and it was a lot. I think I might. Should I wear these ones? Yeah. All right, let's go. What's your cookie? What? Just left that pop-up and there wasn't like really anything I was like dying to have. The only thing I got were some veggies and a fruit, one single honeydew melon. I got some zucchini, some yellow squash, some corn, and then that honeydew.
I love honeydew.
I know, me too.
Do you?
No, I do. We used to eat honeydew and cantaloupe literally on a daily basis growing up because my mom's obsessed with both of those melons.
Disgusting.
No, it's hella good if you get juicy ones.
Yeah, no, cantaloupe's disgusting.
We're going right now to JCPenney, right? Yeah, we're gonna go to JCPenney and we have like a curbside pickup for some towels, some white, crisp white towels. And then we're gonna go get some food somewhere. And then I have to go home and really just brace myself for waking up early because tomorrow starts working out consistently again because I have no more summer school to worry about, so. Well, today's officially day one of my summer break. Couldn't be more excited about it. Finished up summer school yesterday. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that. I kind of put some clips of, we had like a little end of the year carnival. So we did that. This morning I got up early. I'm bound and determined to make my summer break. I have like 3-ish weeks, 3.5. I'm bound and determined to make it, bound and determined to make it a productive summer break. So got up this morning, I got a real good workout in. I finally went back to my like CrossFit boot camp place. It's been a month since I've been there and whew, I did not want to go, but I like forced myself to go and I ended up getting a really good workout in. So happy I did. I'm back home now, made some breakfast, took a shower, and I'm about to enjoy some coffee while I get a little bit of editing done. And then I want to show you guys my self-tan routine. You guys know I recently got the St. Tropez Ashley Graham collab tanning mousse, so I want to try that out, see how well it works because I hear nothing but good things about it. So I'm gonna work here a little bit and then let's go get tan. As you can see, we are in my bathroom. I am in a bikini for the sake of not being naked for this portion of the vlog. We are going to self-tan because I'm looking a little pasty for my liking. But a real good farmer's tan going on. I feel like although I am super white, the only one thing that's saving me is that a couple months ago we went to Hawaii and boy did I get some sun. So I feel like I have what's left of a tan, but we could use a little help. So St. Tropez sent over 3 items. If you're following me on Instagram, you already know this, but they sent over the Ashley Graham tanning mousse, the tan remover, and then the self-tan natural glowing skin bronzing water face mist. This is getting all of the hype right now, especially on TikTok, so I'm super excited to try this out. And then the kit also came with the mitt, and it came in this cute little container. It says you can leave this on for, I'm gonna actually do with this hand. It says you can leave this on for like an hour minimum, but the longer you leave it on, obviously the darker you're gonna get. It says no more than like 4 to 8 hours, so I'm probably gonna leave it on the full 4. I can't wait to see how tan I'm gonna be. It smells, oh my god, it smells so good. Usually, obviously I would be doing this naked, but like I said, for the sake of this video, I don't wanna put you guys through that. I really can't get over how good this smells. I'm so used to like certain self-tanners smelling terrible, like terrible. I always go right here and I have the harshest line. but I'm hoping that face mist will help. I, of course, will have Carlos come in and help with my back. For my hands, I always just kind of take whatever is left and go gently around each side. Okay, so it's really hard to tan with a bikini on, so I'm gonna take off my bikini, tan my whole body, and then I'll be back in like 4-ish hours to show you guys the results. All right, you guys, it has actually been 7 hours and I am freaking dark. But Carlos said that he's like, usually when you self-tan, like you look dark, but it kind of looks like fake. And he said this actually looks like really natural. Like there's no weird tints or hues to it, which is always freaking nice to hear. All right, so this is the final result. I feel like this is the worst lighting in the world, but I didn't want to go set up my ring light again. But I truly look like a natural bronzed goddess. I don't look too over the top dark, but it also doesn't look like it didn't do anything. Like I'm looking at myself and I can tell a world of difference. This bronzing mousse is unlike any other bronzing mousse I've ever used before, because I feel like typically they come out and they're more like foam, and this was an actual, like, it reminded me of hair mousse. You know when you put mousse in your hand and it kind of expands? That's what this did, and I feel like it helped just like glide onto my body super easily. I don't know, I just freaking love it. I'm gonna leave all of the info in the description box for you guys. Give it a shot, and if you do, I want you guys to tag me on Instagram, because I want to see your tanned golden goddess selves. Are you taking a little nap? You're so cute. Even in this freaking lighting, like, are you kidding me? I don't know if you guys can really tell or if you guys are that impressed, but like I am used to being like paper white, like this white. So look at me compared to that. It made a world of difference. I think I am going to end the vlog here. This was like a teeny bit of a shorter vlog, but I want to kind of start fresh tomorrow and start a new vlog. So if you guys enjoyed this one, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.